Paramount's review. In today's review, I'm going to be reviewing a product called Paramount. It's a web-based application giving entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, unlimited buyer traffic with zero restrictions, all at a low one-time investment. Before we head into the video, is a free training that will help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So make sure to click the link below to claim my free training. So back to the product. Paramount is a cloud-based app developed by Moshbari, a seven-figure affiliate marketer, uh, and this will help you get unlimited buyer traffic from over 300 different sources with this groundbreaking one-click app. So make sure that you stay till the end of this review, as I'll be telling you about the bonuses. You'll also be seeing a demo and also the OTOs and the upsells so that you can make an informed decision on whether this product is right for you or not. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Prakash and I am a digital affiliate marketer and I make review videos like this from time to time. Make sure you hit the notification bell and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the latest uh, information on the review videos and also the info courses that I put up. So at any time during this video, if you want to take a look at the actual product itself, click the link in the description below and that will take you to my bonus page from where you can grab this particular product. In a nutshell, Paramount works on three simple steps. Step one is, of course, you have to buy the software. Paramount and get set up on this using the tutorials inside it. Step two, select an affiliate marketing offer and get approved. Enter your link and or the best selling offers inside the app. And step three is click on the send button and the app will get you high quality traffic from over 300 sources. Turn on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free traffic with free clicks. And once people start clicking on the special link, and you will get paid. Paramount is definitely a newbie friendly software that doesn't require any tech skills or marketing experience, so you can make some good money with Paramount. If this sounds like something you're interested in, click on the link in the description below. This link will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. Just click on these one of these pink or red buttons here. This will take you to my sales page, from where you can get this particular Paramounts for $17. It costs you around $17 front end, and this will be live as of 11 a.m. on the 23rd of June 2021. So and you click on this particular thing, it will take you to my sales page, from where you can just have a look at my this Paramount's pre-launch offer. So I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses, because I've taken a long time to put all together all these bonuses for you to get the best out of this particular software, Paramount. Now let us have a quick look at the demo.
Hello and welcome to our software Paramount. With the help of this software, you can find high converting offers from Zevizu, VariPlus and ClickBank. So, choose your affiliate offers based on your niche, based on your interest, and then use this affiliate offer to create affiliate promotional page with the help of this page builder. So, here are some high converting templates that is designed by our professional graphics designer. Choose anyone, use these templates. Everything in front of your eyes are editable, so you can edit anything. If you want to add anything, then there is also widget available that will help you to design your template. After your design is completed, you can share it on multiple social media. So here you can see, starting with Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, LinkedIn, there is hundred of social media networking available over here that will help you to reach out to more and more customer on more and more social media networking site. Now there is direct Facebook poster, which will help you to create multimedia post, call to action post, and carousel or video post. Inside the multimedia post, you can create text post, link post, image post, and video post. Whenever you need to comment or reply your customer, you don't need to do anything. This software will do it for you with the help of this Facebook comment bot. With comment template, with reply template, with automation campaign, everything can be done with one click without any hesitation. The same will go for the Instagram poster. You can post on your Instagram without any difficulties. You can create new post from here, and the post will be done on your Instagram page directly. And same as Facebook, there is Instagram comment bot, which will help you to comment and reply to your customer. Then there is subscriber manager, which will help you to manage the subscriber, to create contact group, contact book, and there is email phone opt-in form builder, which will help you to customize the subscriber based on the opt-in form builder. Then there is email marketing. We all know for affiliate marketer how email marketing plays a vital role. So based on that, we can do this email campaign. So we can set up an email API over here. We can done the email campaign with the help of this email template and email sequence campaign. Same as email campaign, there is SMS marketing. First, set up the SMS API, then start the SMS campaign with the help of this SMS template and SMS sequence campaign. Then there is e-commerce, where you can build your own e-commerce store. And from here, you can do the e-commerce abandoned cart recovery. Then there is traffic marketing analysis. In this traffic marketing analysis, you can get multiple tools which will help you to analyze your visitor, to analyze the website, for social media networking analysis, for rank and index analysis, domain analysis, link analysis, IP analysis, and keyword analysis. So all this tool will help you to increase your business, to reach out to more and more customer with this traffic marketing analysis. Now there is backlink and ping analysis. Inside this, you will get the Google backlink search, backlink generator, website ping, all of this to improve your business. Then there is utility tool. Apart from the traffic analysis and backlink and ping analysis, there is utility tool. Inside this, you will get the email encoder decoder, meta tag generator, plagiarism check, valid email check, duplicate email filter, URL encoder decoder. Then there is website comparison, where you can compare between two websites based on their share, based on their reaction and their content. Then there is detailed training video, where you can get each and everything of this software in front of you. If you are finding any difficulty using this software, contact to our support desk, raise a support ticket, and our 24/7 support will reach out to you as soon as possible. So guys, that was a short information about the software Paramounts. Once you will get into this software, you can taste the real honey of this software.
So that was the demo video for you guys. Now let us have a look at the bonuses. I have put in 7 custom bonuses that go perfectly well with this product. So the bonus number 1 is what I have put in for you. Is you just have to scroll in this page below and you will know the bonuses I have put in for you. The ultimate A to Z page building tutorial. Actually, there's a page builder in this particular Paramount software, and this will help you build the page very easily, because it's a complete tutorial on how to build the page. So bonus number two, guys, you are getting access to a complete course on Facebook marketing here. So you can, so as you're getting access to the Facebook Messenger bot, so you, and also Facebook auto posting app, you can get started with the Facebook marketing with Paramount. Inside this bonus, you're getting access to a complete course on Facebook marketing. Bonus number three is you're getting access to a course on how to get approved instantly for any product on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Inside of this bonus, you will be getting access to a method using which you can get approved to promote any product that you select from Warrior Plus or JVZoo inside of the Paramounts. So bonus number four is a collection of done for you funnels that are ready to monetize. So inside this bonus, you will be getting an access to a collection of over 10 done for you funnels which contain the best selling products from ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. All you have to do is paste your link and run and build in the traffic you get from Paramounts. Just get the traffic from Paramounts to this particular offer and you can start making money. So my bonus number 5 is access to high ticket CPA course. So inside this bonus, you're getting access to a high ticket CPA course using which you can bank in a very good amount of commissions by promoting high ticket CPA offers. And bonus number 6 is you will learn how to build an e-commerce website from scratch. So as you're getting access to an e-commerce focused website builder inside Paramount, in this bonus I will teach you how to build an e-commerce website from scratch. So bonus number 7 is all the vendor bonuses. These bonuses are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you, so that you will be getting around 5 premium bonuses here in this particular Paramount software. All these are 100% free of charge, even though you buy the front end of this product, which is going to cost you around $17, and this is a time sale. You will be getting an offer for around $12 if you just go and click on the thing as pretending to get out of this fight. So now how do you get the bonuses is after you buy the product, you're going to click on any of these buttons. This will take you to the sales page here, and you're going to get access to the product from here, which says get instant access now. So the moment you get the, it will take you to the Warrior Plus payment gateway where you make the payment, and you come through to a page like this, which there's a button saying username on the top right hand corner. Just click on that button and you're going to get a drop down menu, which just click on this purchase history and you will come to through a page like this, which looks, it's called a receipt page, and then you click on this green button, you get access to the product, and click on the blue button below which is access affiliate bonus, and you're getting all these bonuses waiting for you at a one-time price of just $17 US. So just let us have a quick look at the OTO, guys. OTO number 1 is, yeah, I told you the front end is going to cost you around $17. The revolutionary web-based application giving entrepreneurs unlimited free buyer traffic with zero restriction at an astonishingly low one-time investment. So OTO 1 is $29. There is a limitation to this. You cannot build as many websites as possible with $17. So there's an upgrade here for $27, and there's an upgrade for $39. And OTO number 3 costs you around $197. OTO number 4 is $39. So OTO number 5 is $197 US. So these are the OTOs, guys. So just let us go into the sales page and have a look at what the sales page has got to say. Paramounts. So get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. So get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300. See, the biggest thing is from this particular, if you have to get the free traffic from all these sources, it's a social media app basically. If you want to make money out of this, you have to have members for this particular, in these particular channels, whether it's Facebook or Twitter or all the social media apps put together. You have to have the members in this already. So handle a hands-off automated business, no content creation or technical skills required. already working for the beginners. Replace the 9 to 5 income with consistent daily sales. So nothing to learn or set up, start earning today. No recurring fees ever. So this one, guys. This is the buy button here. So you have to just get it for around a one-time payment of $17 US, and there is also a money back guarantee on this. You can get a money back guarantee within 30 days. So that advantage also you got. So you're not taking any risk at all. So if you're watching this video, there's a 50% chance that you haven't subscribed to my channel, and there's a 100% chance you can just do so. So kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.